Kutjhubile ngaphandle kwepolisteytjhi ye-Dobsonville hlangana namapholisa bekangabulala inyoka njengoba i-EFF kunye ne-Operation Dudula bezitshagala. I-EFF ithi batsho isiqhema sidule besathusela elinye lamalunga waso ejimeni laso langempela veke.
They stripped his cupboards, they stripped his burglars, and when he entered that house, they started pushing him around, demanding drugs from him. And this is why UNhlanhla is a coward, because he's not confronting gangsters who are selling drugs in Mitchell's Plain. He's not confronting gangsters in the CBDs of Johannesburg. He's not going to the harbors of this country where drugs are imported from. He's going to innocent people, to old women, old men, because he is a coward.
Kodwa isiqhema siyakandelela ukuthi sona besizinithunywa kwaphela mapholisa bekadosa phambili ijima langempela veke. Nanyana kunjalo amapholisa wona athindi imayilimileyo lapho ibekuvikela labo bebetshagala kwaphela.
The Operation Dudula will apply for a march, maybe a protest march or maybe whatever. Then by law, anybody is allowed to march. The police then should be with them just to protect them against any confrontation along the way. They are not part of anything illegal.
Namhlanje ke iEFF ithi nangabe iDudula movement iyaraga nalokho ekwenzako bazokukhuthaza abantu ukuthi bangavuma bangene ngemzini abo.
He's a toy soldier, and the EFF has come here to accompany this leader to open a case against him, and we want him to be arrested because the police, if they don't make an intervention on what Operation Dudula is happening here in Johannesburg, has already started spreading to Alex. It has already started spreading to the Western Cape. We are going to encourage our people to defend themselves.
iEFF ibekela amapholisa amalanga alikhomba bona abophe umrholi wesiqhema kodwa ne-Operation Dudula ithi angeze kwenzeke lokho.
If they keep doing this, we will also lay counter charges of Section 21 of PRECA. PRECA means prevention and combating of corrupt activities.
Amapholisa aphatlala isiqhema sabantu esingemva kwamadina nje ngemva kokuvulwa kwamacala okuthusela kunye nokugqekeza.